Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to troubleshoot the GE top-load washer that won't start but has power. Watch until the end of the video to learn more. Your GE top-load washer won't start because of a faulty electronic control board and a jammed door lock assembly. To fix these, replace the electric control board. Switch off the electricity from the power source and remove the power cord from the power outlet. Remove the control knob by pulling it off the control panel. Open the console by unscrewing it from the back of the panel to access the control board. Disconnect the control board by releasing the locking tabs from the wire harness and the air hose and then pulling it out. Replace it with a new control board and reconnect everything back into position. Power your machine and calibrate the washer by running the diagnostics. Replace the door lock assembly. Disconnect the washer from the power outlet, remove the top panel using a screwdriver, and pull it to the rear of the washer to get it off. Remove the door lock assembly using a puffy knife by prying the white latch to open it. When you've pulled out the door lock assembly, disconnect it from the wire harness. Replace it with a new door lock assembly by connecting it to the wire harness. Reinstall the door lock assembly and the top panel and power up your machine. So there you have it. That's how you troubleshoot a GE top-load washer that won't start but has power. Thanks for watching. Till next time.